Built in 1979, reborn with a supercharged Coyote V8 and now worth $180,000, this is not the Bronco you remember. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we're looking at a legendary American icon that has been completely transformed into a modern masterpiece. This is the 1979 Ford Bronco Restomod 4x4, a classic SUV that combines the raw attitude of the late 1970s with the technology, power, and luxury of today. At first glance, this Bronco looks like it rolled straight out of the golden era of American trucks. The tall stance, aggressive shape, black hardtop, and unmistakable XLT Ranger styling instantly bring back memories of a time when SUVs were built with personality and purpose. But once you look closer, you realize this is not a traditional restoration. This is a carefully engineered Restomod designed to deliver a completely different driving experience. Finished in a deep gloss black exterior, this Bronco has a presence that demands attention. Every bodyline highlights the classic second-generation Bronco design, while the iconic freewheeling graphics add a perfect retro-inspired touch. The combination of the black finish, black hardtop, and XLT Ranger trim creates a bold appearance that feels both original and exclusive. But the real story begins underneath the hood. This 1979 Ford Bronco has been upgraded with a modern Ford 5.0L Coyote V8 engine, bringing Mustang-inspired performance into a classic 4x4 platform. The Coyote V8 is famous for its high revving capability, advanced engineering, and reliability. However, this Bronco takes performance even further with a Whipple 3.0L supercharger, transforming this vintage SUV into a serious powerhouse. The moment that supercharged V8 comes alive, this Bronco delivers the kind of performance that nobody expects from a vehicle built in 1979. The instant boost, deep exhaust note, and incredible acceleration create an experience that blends classic muscle with modern technology. Power is managed through a Ford 10R80 10-speed automatic transmission, one of Ford's most advanced transmissions. With quick shifts, improved efficiency, and smooth operation, it gives this classic Bronco the driving comfort of a modern performance vehicle. The drivetrain was built to handle the power and adventure. This Bronco features the legendary NP205 transfer case, known for its strength and durability in serious off-road applications. A Dana 44 front axle and Ford 9-inch rear axle provide a proven foundation, while the 3.23 1-gear ratios deliver a balanced combination of cruising comfort and capable performance. To improve handling and off-road confidence, this Bronco sits on a 4-inch lifted suspension system equipped with Fox shocks and a Fox steering stabilizer. The upgraded suspension gives it a commanding driving position while improving control on rough terrain. Power steering and power brakes add modern convenience, making this classic SUV much easier to enjoy every day. The exterior stance is completed with 15-inch aluminum slotted mag wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires measuring 33 by 12 50 R15. These tires provide aggressive styling, excellent traction, and the durability needed for both street driving and off-road adventures. Underneath, this build receives the same level of attention as the exterior. The underside is finished in black paint, creating a clean and professional appearance. A TIG welded and polished exhaust system adds craftsmanship and performance, while hammer-finished heat shields and detailed fender wells show the level of care invested into this restoration. Additional upgrades like new hardware and Calvert Racing Caltrax traction bars ensure that the power from the supercharged V8 is effectively transferred to the ground. This is a Bronco designed not only to look incredible, but also to perform. Inside the cabin, the story continues with a perfect balance between nostalgia and modern luxury. Opening the door reveals a beautiful red plaid interior that instantly connects with the Bronco's original personality. The factory-style seats, XLT trim, full door panels, and headliner maintain the classic atmosphere while delivering a refreshed premium feel. The driver's experience has been upgraded with a 3-spoke steering wheel, Dakota Digital gauges, and Restomod Air climate controls. The modern air conditioning and heat system ensures comfort in any season, while the upgraded vintage radio keeps the classic style alive without sacrificing convenience. The beauty of this Bronco is the way it respects the past while embracing the future. It does not erase what made the original vehicle special. Instead, it enhances everything people loved about the classic Bronco and adds the performance, reliability, and comfort expected from a modern collector vehicle. With a build price reaching around $180,000, this 1979 Ford Bronco Restomod 4x4 represents the highest level of classic SUV customization. It is a machine created for collectors who appreciate timeless design, modern engineering, and unforgettable driving experiences. This is more than a restored Ford Bronco. It is a supercharged tribute to American adventure, a classic legend reborn with modern muscle, premium craftsmanship, and the confidence to take on any road. The 1979 Ford Bronco Restomod 4x4 proves that some icons never disappear, they simply evolve.